ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, आज के वीडियो में हम देखने वाले प्रूफ ऑफ इरेशनल नंबर। पहला प्रॉब्लम है प्रूव दैट रूट थ्री इज एन इरेशनल नंबर। ये प्रूव करने के पहले आपको एक बात याद रखने का है, को-प्राइम नंबर माना क्या है। व्हाट इज मीन बाय द को-प्राइम नंबर। को-प्राइम नंबर माना ऐसे दो कोई भी नंबर ले लो जिनके प्राइम फैक्टर निकालने के बाद में वन ये कॉमन फैक्टर होना चाहिए। ओनली वन इज कॉल्ड फैक्टर, देन दे आर कॉल्ड एज को-प्राइम नंबर। ओके चलो अब इसकी प्रूफ के लिए जाते हैं हम लोग। पहले क्या करना है, प्रूव दैट रूट थ्री इज एन इरेशनल नंबर। लेट अस वी अज्यूम दैट let us assume that let us assume that root 3 is a rational. Root 3 is a rational number. Root 3 is a rational number. If root 3 is a rational number, if it is rational number, then it can be written as root 3 is equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime, co-primes, and b is not equal to 0, and b is not equal to 0. Now by taking square of both sides, by taking square of both sides, so write by taking square of both sides, square of both sides. If you taking square of both sides, root 3 square is equal to a square by b square. By taking square, root 3 square is equal to a square by b square. Therefore, root 3 square means how many? Root 3 square means that is 3 is equal to a square by b square. Now, first you have to carry there b square right to left. Means thrice of b square is equal to a square, that is your number 1. Now 3 carry left to right, b square is equal to a square divided by 3. Why we carry 3 from left to right? Because first we have to prove there b square is also divisible by 3 and a square also divisible by 3. Means a square by 3 that I written. Okay, now so for a square divided by 3, because we have to first show that ये शो करना आपको कि a square is divisible by 3 होता है और a also divisible by 3 होता है. Okay, now means we say that a square is divisible by 3. So write a square is divisible by 3. A square is divisible by 3. If a square is divisible by 3, means a also divisible by 3. Right, that is your number 7. Again now, see the next. A is also divisible by 3. If A is divisible by 3, means 3 is a divisor. Means 3 is a divisor. Okay. By Euclid divisor lemma, A is equal to PQ plus R. A means dividend, B means divisor, and Q means quotient. And remainder is how many? Remainder is equal to 0 now. Okay, listen. How a square is divisible by 3, then a is also divisible by 3. Here. Suppose you consider a is equal to 5. And now consider there any q integer that is 5. A divided by q means that is 5 by 5 is equal to 1. A is also divisible by 5. Now a square, consider a square means how many? 25, and 25 q is 5. It is also divisible by 5. Okay, now similarly next we have to show there. Okay, A is divisible by how many? 3. Now A is divisible by 3 means by Euclid division lemma A is equal to how many? A is equal to thrice of Q. Where Q is some integer. Where Q is a some integer. Some integer. Okay. Where Q is a some integer. Now A is equal to thrice of Q by taking square of both sides. You have to take square of both sides. A square is equal to thrice of Q square. Now A square is equal to 3 square means 9Q square. Okay. But A square means see there from number 1 A square is equal to thrice of B square. So A square means how many? Thrice of B square is equal to 9Q square from number 1. Okay. Now 9 carry left side, thrice of B square divided by 9 is equal to Q square. What do you get now? 3 3s are 9 means B square divided by 3 is equal to Q square. If B square divided by 3 means Q square, means B square divisible by 3. So write B square is divisible by 3. What you are writing there? B square is divisible by how many? 3. Means B also divisible by 3. Hence B also divisible by how many? 3. It is right number. Okay. A also divisible by 3 and now B also divisible by. A is also divisible by 3 and B also divisible by 3 means A and B both have common factor 3. Okay. From number which is 2 and 3, see there A and B both have common factor which is 3. Means we say that A and B both have common factor. A and B both have common factor. Both have common factor 3. Common factor 3. Both A and B have common factor. By definition of co-prime number, there is only one common factor. See there now. A and B both has common factor 3. Both has common factor how many? 3. Means A also has common factor 3 and B also common factor 3. Means our assumption is contradict here. Why? Now, hence our assumption is contradict from number which is 2 and 3. By definition of co-prime number in our assumption, which is our assumption, root 3 is a rational number. If it is rational number, then their common factor is how many? 1. But from number 2 and 3, there is a common factor how many? 3. Means 3 is a common factor. There is a 3 is a common. Hence, our assumption is contradict. Hence, our assumption is contradict from 2 and 3. From 2, 3 and definition and by definition of co-prime number. Hence our assumption is contradicted by definition of co-prime number 2 and 3. Okay, 2 में हमने प्रूव किए थे a also divisible by 3, दूसरे इसमें b also divisible by 3, मिस कौन बात करें. Hence from number 2 and 3 and by definition of co-prime number our assumption is contradictory. Okay, hence our assumption is contradictory from 2 and 3 and by definition of co-prime number. Hence we say that root 3 is an irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. Hence our assumption is contradict and root 3 is an irrational number. Okay, understood now? Next इसमें प्रॉब्लम सेकंड में हम लोग अभी सेम टाइप के दूसरे प्रॉब्लम देखने वाले, मगर एक बात यहाँ पे याद रखना, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम यदि सिंगल नंबर रहता है या डबल रहता है, 2 डिजिट 3 डिजिट जो भी रहे तो, बट दैट इज अ नॉन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर रहता है, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं नॉन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर, तो आपको सेम मेथड से आपको उसको क्या करना है, उसका प्रूफ आपको लिखना है. ओके, सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम और से हम लोग अभी देखने वाले. चलो सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम, प्रूव दैट 3 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, start. Let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 2 is a rational number. Is a rational number. हमने ये कंसीडर किए, let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 2 is a rational number. Therefore, if it is rational number, means 3 plus 2 root 2 is equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime. And b is not equal to 3. Let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 2 is a rational number. 3 plus root 2 root 2 is rational number, means it is a by b. A means a and b are any that is prime, A and B are co-prime. Means when you writing any number in the P by Q form, its simplest form, its common factor is 1, then it is called as the co-prime number. Okay, now by this 3 given plus 2 root 2 given, first 3 carry right side. A by B means it is your rational number, but it is simplest form. Okay, means A by B. 3 carry first right side. Now 2 root 2 is equal to A by B minus, here is positive 3, here is negative. Denominator 1, 2 root 2 is equal to cross multiply. 1 into A minus 3B divided by B. Again, previous problem, root 3 is a irrational number. Root 2 also it is irrational number. Similarly, we can do now means root 2 is a irrational number. So 2 carry right side. So now when you carry 2 right side, 2 has a denominator 1. So here carry root 2 is equal to how many? Root 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into A minus 3B divided by B. Okay, now root 2 is equal to here 2 by 1, this side 1 by 2, A minus 3 by B. Now root 2 is equal to open bracket A minus 3B divided by 2B, that is your number. Okay, A minus 3B, you consider A any number and B any number. that time, but b is not equal to 0. Suppose I consider a 2 minus, b consider 3 or 4, 3 into 3 divide by 3. What do you get? 2 minus 9 divided by 3 means minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 by 3 it is also rational number because it is in the form of p by 2. And 7 and 3 it is a 4 prime number. Okay, now listen in. But root 2 is a irrational number. Root 2 is an irrational number. Root is an irrational. That is your number second. And another number a minus 3b divided by 2b is a rational number. Rational number. That is your number 3. See there? Root 2 is an irrational number. Like root 3 irrational number. Same. A minus 3b by 2b, it is rational number. But rational number never equal to irrational number. Rational number never equal to irrational number. Why? Definition दोनों की opposite. Rational number means क्या होता है? जो नंबर टर्मिनेटिंग टाइप के रहते हैं, जिसका लॉन्ग डिवीजन करेंगे उसका डेसिमल फॉर्म लिखेंगे, तो डेसिमल फॉर्म ये टर्मिनेटिंग टाइप और रिपीटिंग टाइप का। बट इरेशनल नंबर में रहेगा क्या? इरेशनल नंबर क्या रहते हैं? नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिपीटिंग नंबर के रहते हैं। इसलिए रैशनल नंबर इज नेवर इक्वल टू इरेशनल नंबर। मींस रैशनल नंबर इज नेवर इक्वल टू इरेशनल नंबर। रैशनल नंबर नेवर equal to irrational number. Never equal to irrational number. But when we consider 3 plus 2 root 2 is a rational number. See that? Rational number. See, it is rational. That time here we get answer equal. Means it is universally true, rational number is never equal to irrational number. Means our assumption is contradictory. Why our assumption is contradictory? Because when we consider it is rational number, that time rational number is equal to irrational number. Okay? मीन्स हम लोग ये बोल सकते हैं कि अपना assumption contradict है, क्योंकि यदि यहाँ पे हमने शो किए तो यहाँ पे आंसर आ गया 1 में रैशनल नंबर इक्वल टू इरेशनल, बट डेफिनेशन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर एंड इरेशनल नंबर इक्वल नहीं होते। Hence our assumption is contradictory. Hence our assumption is contradictory. Hence our assumption is contradictory. Hence our assumption is contradictory from 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, from number 1, 2 and 3. From number 1, 2 and 3. Because rational number is never equal to irrational. See that? Means we say that therefore 3 plus 2 root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, irrational number. It is irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. Okay, ऐसे हम लोग और से कुछ प्रॉब्लम है नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखने वाले हैं कि इसी टाइप से जो प्रॉब्लम रहेंगे, मगर यहाँ पे हमने क्या किए थे, सिमिलर फॉर्म में, पहले रूट ए के फॉर्म में, बाद में रूट ए प्लस बी के फॉर्म में था, ए प्लस बी कंसीडर कर दो। हम अभी क्या करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर रैशनल रहेगा या इरेशनल रहेगा और न्यूमरेटर रैशनल रहेगा या रैशनल रहेगा। तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपने को देखने को मिलेगा। ओके, थैंक यू।